have time to waste, okay? I'm not about wasting time, and I'm not about just giving you information just to sit on, hoard, and do absolutely nothing with it. Listen, don't say nothing about what I got on. I told y'all I had some content or some things that I had to get out, so listen, get used to the gear, okay? So some of you guys were asking, I guess you guys missed it, but I wanted to give you guys some further insight in regards to exactly what I use when it comes to getting things together for my business. A lot of you guys asked me about my packaging and how to get everything organized, you know, for your own business. Of course, if that's not anything you're interested in, trust me, you want to learn about it anyway because you're getting ready to start your business. So why not go ahead and click that like button now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it, boo. Here is the actual box and how it comes in from the vendor, okay? This is exactly what it looks like inside, and this is exactly how it looks on the outside, okay? Now, as you can see, it's a flat little surface here, and you have to put these together. Of course, when you talk with your vendor or when you speak with the vendor, you can definitely have them do this for you. However, it does cost a little more, and it doesn't take much at all to literally fold these boxes and put them together, especially if you got kids, girl. Put them kids to work, okay, and then you can claim and write them off on your taxes, okay? So listen, let me show you guys really quick how smooth and how easy it is to just go ahead and fold one of these boxes up and get them ready in no time, okay? Literally no time. I'm folding it up right now as we speak, okay? So here we go. Can you see me folding it up? Yep, that part. You can see it. Yes, honey, get into it, okay? Just that simple. And then you can hear it lock. Well, maybe you can't hear it lock, but that's how you locking it in there. Boom. See that? It's already ready to go. It's folded up. Real nice, simple, sweet, connected in. Boom, boom. And I usually try to put like a little piece of tape right here. So this is what your box will look like on the outside. And again, here is what it looks like on the inside. But the real kicker is what's in the inside, right? Let me give you a preview of the Fellas box as well, okay? So we have some of those already made up, and here it is. You have the Ultimate Boss Up Journal, and it's about building and creating generational wealth. Here you go. Here's the inside. All right, so stack that bread, king, because you can do it too, right? That's right, honey. We can both do it. So I'm also sharing with you guys my exclusive vendors, okay? Yes, my exclusive vendors who specifically did these particular items or boxes for me. Yes, they will be included. So if you want it or if you're interested, click down below and go ahead and get yourself a copy of it, okay? The vendor who designed my boxes also designed my thank you cards, and they also designed the Ultimate Journal itself. So here is a look at what it looks like and everything. Let me tell you how awesome this vendor is, okay? This vendor included everything that I needed and so much more. Things that I did not expect to come actually came. So they gave me these additional cellophane wraps, and they gave me bubble wrap to help me, or to help ensure that each package that I send out or mail out is packaged to perfection, and I don't have to worry about it getting scratched, dinged, or anything bad happening to it. And everything came so perfect. I have not had one of my boxes, nor have I had one of my books to have any type of issues with it. Each one has turned out amazing, and I'm so happy. And again, I highly recommend this vendor, okay? Here is my book, okay? And then here's my book for the ladies. So again, the designer, which is the person who designed the cover and who designed the inside, is a different person from the actual vendor themselves who printed these up, okay? So I'll have everything listed and detailed out in details for you inside of the vendors list, so you'll know exactly who, what, when, where, how, and exactly how to reach out, and exactly how to do what you need to do when it comes to ordering your products as well. And now for the best part, right? You want to see exactly what comes inside of each one of the Ultimate Savings bundles, right? We do have an exclusive bundle. However, you are more than welcome if you would like to just buy him one of these. Speaking of buying him one of these, this will be the Ultimate Father's Day gift or the Ultimate Birthday gift. Any gift idea, a special gift of, hey, I'm just thinking of you gift for him. It's time to cater to your man, okay? Listen, make him feel good like he make you feel good. Get him one of these journals, girl. fellas, need I say? Okay, you already know the drill. Piece that you see inside, right? All right, so let's go over each item. Of course, the first thing you see is your golden envelope here, okay? And it says, best wishes, open me. All right, so let's just say, for example, he gets this and he's like, oh, okay, let me open it up. Let me see what that's about. So I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna, you know, ruin it. But once you open this up, there's actually a hidden little surprise inside of there. Look at that. Yes, honey, a crispy, brand new, real $2 bill. Next, we have our thank you card. Flip it over on the back, then you have a couple of additional items so that you can boss up your life. A wallet. Yes, honey, a savings wallet. This also includes different labels that you can use to put on your savings tabs that are included inside. Also, we have a couple of different items inside as well. We have your color pencil. This will help you to mark off and shade in. And it comes with a set of dice. Yes, honey, a set of dice. This ultimate bundle is an interactive journal that allows you to, you know, have fun, right? So you shake them up, okay? And then whatever you roll on this particular dice, so like for example, I just rolled out the 7. Okay, I'm lucky like that. I would have collected your coins, boo. All right, put me on the table. But anyway, so you have the choice to do a simple savings challenge. You can put away $7 or you can put away $70. Next, we have a little spinner, okay? And I'll show you guys exactly how and where this goes as well. Then we have, of course, the ultimate boss up savings journal. Yes, honey, again, it comes complete with the gold tabs and the gold ring binder, okay? And inside, oh, you know Candy not playing. You know I'm going to give you guys the ultimate prayer, okay? He gets a prayer, and then there's a space for him to write in his name. And we'll go through the book a little bit so you can get like a little in-depth detail of exactly, you know, everything that's included. At the bottom of the box, it says stack your bread king, and this box doubles as a savings box. So you can close this up and you can tape it down and create a little slit or a slot, and you can start saving money all inside of your box. You can save your envelopes inside of here, or you can just simply use it for your birthday box, like save your age, right? The save your age money savings challenge, and there's more on that down below as well. All right, so inside of your journal, let's take a look. Let's look at some of the challenges that are included. Oh, let's see. See that? We have some really fun, simple savings challenges. And then he can save up for his tires. There's savings journeys all throughout here. All types of challenges that you can take on. And not only that, what would it be for me to give you guys a savings journal and not tell you exactly how to utilize it, right? I give you guys some really awesome ideas on how to crush those goals, and I show you exactly how to start investing and growing your money. And then there's some credit tips, of course, because you got to get that credit, right? Let's see, there's also some simple ideas on how you can start building generational wealth as well. Some good ideas for you to start manifesting. And there's some fun things like crossword puzzles and guessing games. In the back of the book, okay, you get the little wheel of savings. Yes, honey, the wheel of savings. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll take your little spinner and you'll just attach it like so, and you spin that wheel, boom. And wherever it lands, that's the amount of money that you would put away or save for that particular day. There you have it, the ultimate savings bundle. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a little bit long, but I had a lot of stuff to share with you, okay? So check this out. If you want to get your hands on one of these exclusive books, you already know I got you, boo. And you already know, if you check down below in the description, I got a little surprise for you, boo. All right, only for those who see this video. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like this bundle? Is it too much? Is it given? What do you think? Did I answer all of your questions and tell you all the details about exactly how to get your packaging and stuff together? Like, what else do you need from me? I got you, boo. Thank you guys again for all of the love and all of your support, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys back soon. Bye, babe.